Quick reading for February the 21st to the 22nd. Taurus, your cards are the Moon card, the Hermit, and the Queen of Cups. Siguro, madaming clouds, no, yung nasa isip natin. May mga bagay tayong hindi naiintindihan, may mga bagay na hindi natin nauunawaan dito sa relationship. Bakit nagkaganito? Bakit ganyan si person? For a few numbers of you, baka you even removed yourself, no? Nag-isolate tayo. You remove yourself from the dynamic, from the equation, nag-isip-isip muna tayo. Or baka si person itong nanahimik muna. So parang sinasabi mo, bakit, no? Wala naman akong ginagawa masama, bakit bigla siyang nanahimik, hindi kami nakapag-usap. This is because kailangan lang ni person intindihin, no, yung mga nangyayari. And it felt like I think that your person here goes deep, no, sa kanyang emotion. And parang sinabi niya sa Dalia, mali din yata yung ginagawa ko. I feel like kailangan kong mag-express ng totoo kong nararamdaman kay person dito nga sa iyo, no, Taurus. So, yeah, this is your quick reading for February the 21st to the 22nd.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.